Buenos dias. Good day, howdy, and all the rest of them as usual. Out in my favourite spot. Going to do a bit of fishing. Another method that a Spanish fella told me last time I was here. I was just fishing just behind me, just over there last time. I'm now in this hot spot, what I reckon is new way of fishing for me. Lures, the killer lure. Actually, right where I'm standing, I'll spin it round. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but down there is, I can see fish. But whether once they see me, they all disappear and they leave me fishless as usual. But there you go, I'm going to give it a go. Another day, still got 100% over here, so I'm going to give it a go. And then after this, I don't know what to do if I don't catch anything. So, see you in a little while. Guess what? Nada, nothing. Been fishing for about 3/4 of an hour. I can see hundreds of fish down there. Only little tiny ones, which I don't really want to catch, but one I do, one little tiny one, just to break me cherry. But yeah, but it's still a beautiful day. Seen some fantastic boats going in and out of this marina. God knows how much they cost. Hundreds of thousands of pounds, I would have thought. But yeah, I'm going to crack on. Keep on trying. Don't give up. Remember, like always, I'm not giving up on this. Share, like and subscribe. 198 subscribers now. Nearly at my first 200 subscribers, which would be fantastic. And a big thank you to everybody who presses that button. Don't cost you nothing. Just enjoy my witterings. Or skip on through, but subscribe. It's all about the subscription for me. And yeah, roll on. Watching boats, watching the fish laughing at my bait, my lures. Flipping frustration. Well, here I am, sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. That'd make good lyrics for a song, that would. I'll have to investigate that one. But as usual, being very environmental, not caught a fish. Bloke up there who's fishing as well, he ain't caught nothing. And another bloke packed up and went home about an hour ago, he didn't catch nothing. So, but I'm sitting here actually looking at a fish, and some of them are quite sizable, but they just don't want to know. But there you go, 100% record. I will see you on the other side.